Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix this site can't be reached, air connection refused. First method is type Internet Options in Windows search bar, click Internet Options. Click Connection, click LAN Settings. Check Automatically Detect Settings, click Apply, click OK. Second method is type ncpl.cpl in Windows search bar, click ncpl.cpl. Right-click Connected Network Adapter, click Properties, select Internet Protocol version 4, click Properties. Check both option IP address and DNS server address automatically. Third method is type ncpa.cpl in Windows search bar, click ncpa.cpl. Right-click Connected Network Adapter, click Properties, uncheck Internet Protocol version 6, select Internet Protocol version 4, click Properties. Use the following DNS server addresses. Fourth method is type Notepad in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click Open, open C drive, Windows, System32 folder, Drivers, etc folder. Select all files, select hosts, click Open. Remove all entries after localhost, save and exit Notepad. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.